Joc de traducció. M'agradaria fer una reserva per a 2 nits.
I would like to make a reservation for 2 nights.
És important tindre bons amics.
It's important to have good friends.
Treballe de cambrer en un restaurant.
I work as a waiter in a restaurant.
A quina hora ix el tren?
At what time does the train leave?
Ho sent, però no és possible.
I'm afraid it's not possible.
Vols alguna cosa per a beure?
Would you like something to drink?
La meua bici està vella, així que me'n compraré una de nova.
My bike is old, so I'll get a new one.
Si fa bon oratge demà, anirem a fer senderisme.
If the weather is good tomorrow, we'll go hiking.
Crec que hi ha un problema amb el portàtil.
I think there is a problem with the laptop.
Has estat alguna vegada a Londres?
Have you ever been to London?